Our Haʻawina ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi for today is practicing na mokupuni o Hawaii. We're going to practice saying the island names of all of our Hawaiian islands. So let's start from the top. Hawaiʻi. Don't forget that okina between the two eyes. Hawaiʻi. Maikaʻi. Next island. Maui. Now I want you to make sure it goes Maui, not Maui. So you make your mouth a little bit tighter and it sounds like this. Maui. Next island, Molokaʻi. And some people pronounce it Molokai. The next island, Lanai. Make sure you don't say lanai. It's not the outside of your house where you go cruise, your deck, or your porch. It's lanai. So long a at the beginning and an okina at the end. E ho'olohe mai, lanai. Maikaʻi. Next island, Kaho'olave. One more time, Kaho'olave. And let's go past Molokaʻi to where Honolulu is, and the island is Oahu. Don't forget that okina, there's no W there, so it doesn't sound like Oahu. It's Oahu in the back of your throat. Maikaʻi. After Oahu, we go to Kauai. Not Kauai, Kauai. Make sure your mouth is a little tighter because it's an U, it's a U there. Kauai. And the last island, Niʻihau. Hanaho, Niʻihau. Maikaʻi. He la maikaʻi a kākou. Have a beautiful day.